So a lot of people make the mistake of sweating into the wood. You don't want to do that. If your sweat bleeds through the towel and it gets the wood a little wet on the bench, or you sweat a little bit on the backrest or whatever, it's not a big deal. The nature of infrared will dry the wood out by itself, especially if you're in a radiant health sauna because they have the heater in the bench. But normally, as long as when I sauna, I put 3 towels in there. So there's one on the floor to catch the sweat from my legs and feet. There's one on the bench that I sit with. And then if I'm gonna use a backrest, or if I'm gonna lean up against or lay down in the thing, I'll put something behind me so my back doesn't sweat all over everything. Or I'll just have like a separate face towel. When you do this, the towels, I know it's more laundry, but the towels keep the moisture from your sweat from soaking into the wood grain. They might get a little damp. It's not a big deal. When you do that, the maintenance is very, very low. You might wipe it down one time with a damp cloth and let it run for an hour circle or a cycle to dry it out on its own. Other than that, clean the glass. You get fingerprints and all this kind of stuff. Wipe it down every once in a while. Vacuum it out if you want. Your hair and stuff collects in the corners just like dust in your house. But other than that,
not a lot of maintenance?
No, extremely low. Very, very low.
So if there's something that you like from today's video, or you're looking for more resources, at CertifiedSaunas.com on the homepage, there's recommended sauna resources. If you're looking for a brand, a size, a model, reviews, installation videos on how to put them together, we have step-by-step tutorials that show you how to receive a sauna, how to prep your house for it. We're trying to make it as easy as possible for you so you don't have to wade through 4 hours of YouTube video to find the exact thing that you're looking for. But a lot of times in these episodes, I'll mention sauna hats, sauna accessories, different types of electrolyte supplements. If you want to put an infrared sauna in a cold basement or unheated garage, there's accessories or additional supplemental heat that you can add to it. If you continue down, you'll find everything that you're looking for that we've mentioned today. In addition to CertifiedSaunas.com, you can go to the Facebook group, which is the Certified Sauna community on Facebook. It's our sauna group. There's no hardcore pitching. There's thousands of members in there that offer really, really, really good advice. I learn from them every day. I'm also contributing and answering questions in there every day. In addition to that, you can go to the Amazon store. A lot of people have requested on where to buy sauna towels, sauna hats, different various supplements, minerals, electrolytes. Now we have all this in one place on various lists on this Amazon store. So you can go to this one link and everything will be right there for you. See you in the next video.